and I only serve the Lord like that, and I enjoyed my, just like this, my YouTube. I create a content. So if it will be okay, then that's my way of living. Because I love to create also in Reels. I am in Reels, and it is, my dollar is not well running, because in Reels lots of requirement is you have to lots of requirements is there and in Reels. Okay, in YouTube, if you can make it, you have subscribers in, okay, which country here in the Philippines, Cebu City, Philippines. HK, you are from Hong Kong, because HK. And how old are you, HK? Ah, 26. So you are married already, a boy or a girl? What are you, a boy or a girl? Still young? You're still young. Ah, you're a boy. So, what do you do with your living also? Bounce back. So are you working? Or you are there in Hong Kong? That's your residence there in your place? Are you staying there in Hong Kong since before? I've not been there in Hong Kong. It's a nice place there in Hong Kong. Hello. Hello, come into my channel. And thank you for visiting of Oliver, especially HQ. What's the time now? Hi, I live in India. I'm a working professional software developer. Much better. So you are expert in programming, because that's software. Is your country okay now? There in India, is it okay now? Your place? Hello, how are you there? Knock my door. What's the time now? Hansen, sa oras? Hansen! Hansen! Unsay oras? Unya, pagkaligo na ko no. Mana? Okay, okay. I think it's almost 5:30. Can I leave now, because I'll have to take a nap for a while, because another work at 6. We'll have to cook food. Okay, thank you so much for all of you visiting my channel, and hope you have already subscribed my channel. Until next time, God bless and take care. Have a beautiful Sunday with your friends and family. Take care. Love you all. Jesus loves you. Bye bye and God bless. Take care. I have to take